how to delete history on Google Chrome. So if you want to delete your history on Google Chrome, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser, and you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you will have history. Go for history, and again go for history, which is here on the first. And now you can simply go for clear browsing data, which will be on the left side. And once you click on that, here you can choose your basic or your advanced. So you can simply choose your browsing history, and if you want to delete your cookies and other site data, you can choose that also, and then your cache images and files. But if you want to delete only the browsing history, then choose only browsing history and then go for clear data. And that's it. That's how you clear your browsing history on Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.